Hello, this is Jason Hopkins and welcome to part 2 on tips on solo ad traffic. Now be sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and be sure to hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future content that I provide. Now, if you didn't watch the first video, make sure you watch the first video before watching this video. If you did, let's get started. Now, you want to be careful buying solo ads from certain vendors, because people on their list, they're being constantly bombarded with tons of emails that other marketers, they're selling emails to other marketers that sell other offers to them. So these leads are usually being sold to other vendors, buying whatever that's being offered to them. So what exactly does that mean for you? When you're buying from a solo ad vendor, the same leads that you're getting are now on a list where most of them are like, the people on your list, they're not engaging in anything, in any of your content when you send that first welcome email, and this affects your open rate or your send rate. And if you continue to send these emails to the non-openers, then your emails are now being put in a spam filter. So the more that the more you're sending these non-emails, it's hurting your send rate, and it could possibly put your domain that you use for your web email address, which is called a blacklist. And this means every follow-up email that you're sending is going into the sender's spam folder, right? And now you're unable to send emails. And at some point, if this continues, then whatever autoresponder you're using, your account can be deactivated. So what you want to do, you want to check your domain, the domain name that you're using. Use a tool called MX Toolbox to see whether your domain is being blacklisted. And if it is, you want to create another domain name with a new email address. Okay? So in closing, if you want to know more about my #1 recommended program, you want to click the link below this video, and you'll be directed to a page where you're going to be putting your name and your email. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye now.